Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is the budget bike build part 2. If you saw the first video, I started off by rebuilding the full battery pack and installing a new BMS. After rebuilding the battery, connecting everything up, I still had no power, nothing on the display, nothing. So in this video I'm going to strip down the motor and see what's going on. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It is free and it will help me a lot with future builds. This crank arm was an absolute pain. I stripped the threads in the actual crank arm and ended up in the end I had to get some kind of, I think it was a bearing puller. I grinded it down to fit under and then pulled it off that way. After pulling the PCB board, I did some diagnostic checks, tested various components. The two main fuses coming in, they were blown, and it looked or seemed like some MOSFET transistor was also blown. So I ordered them parts online and soldered them in. Okay, so let's get this PCB board in and see what happens. The BMS I purchased is Bluetooth activated, so I can turn the charge and discharge port off via my phone. So it jumped into life and did have an error message. I did put that down to the battery with it not being a genuine Yamaha one. We'll address the battery issue in the next video, and I'll put on the screen the components I did change. If you did like this video and find it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and again turn on notifications. It will help me make future videos. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next part.